Hello my fashion lovers, welcome once again to this wonderful tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this wrapper skirt. It's a wrapper skirt. You just tie it on your waist. It's a wrapper skirt or a wrap skirt, anyhow you choose to call it. I'll be showing you how to make it, how to cut it, and how to sew it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. To make this skirt, you'll be using your Ankara fabric. You're going to be using your Ankara fabric. You're going to fold it as if you want to cut your skirts. You see what I'm doing on this video? That is what you're going to do. You're going to fold it. You will fold it into two. Fold it into two, like what I'm doing in the video. Fold it into two, and now you're going to fold it again. You're going to fold it again like that. Fold it again like that. And now to know the amount of the waist measurements you're going to cut, you're going to use your hip measurements. You're going to use your hip measurement divided by 3.14. You're going to use your hip measurement divided by 3.14, and that's what you're going to mark. And you take your tape round. But if you are working with a big person, 16 inches will go around the person's waist. That is to take 16 inches from the beginning, from the starting point. But if you're working with if you're working for a smaller person, that is the person with a small body, you can use between 10 inches and 12 inches. But the formula you can use to get it is your waist, your hip divided by 3.14, so that it can go around the waist and still cover the hip for the wrap skirts. And from there you're going to take the length you want. You're going to take the length you want, but of course you know that you're still going to join, because the length of the Ankara is not long, so you're still going to join one part of it. You take your tape round and measure the length of the skirt you want. Like here, I'm making use of 35. So I'm taking it round. I'm taking it round to get the actual length that I want. For the part that is not going to complete it, I'll show you how you're going to join it, how you're going to cut and join to get your complete skirt. And after marking it, you take it round. After marking, you're going to connect it. Take it round as you are marking. And when you're done, you connect. After connecting, you go ahead and cut it off. Can you see that one part is longer than the other? One part is longer than the other. And on that starting point that is longer than the other one, you're going to notch it. You are going to notch it so that you know where your joining point is going to start. You are going to join it, then get another fabric, get the other part of the fabric and put it so that you can be able to join it. Get your fabric, fold it, fold it. Fold it and watch where the folded parts, the side folded part is going to be. That is where the folded part is going to be, and the other part will be the open side. Now you're going to cut the exact measurement you have on the other part. You are going to cut the exact measurement you have on the complete parts. So I will place it under so that you see what I'm doing. You go ahead and notch where the joining is going to start. Go ahead and notch where the joining will start. I'll place it on top so that you see what I'm cutting. Make sure you add your joining allowance. Joining allowance. Make sure you arrange it very well to avoid shortage. Now you're going to cut it out. The same way you're going to cut this, that's the same way you're going to cut your lining. If you want to put your lining, the same way you cut this, that's the same way you're going to cut your lining. Then you can turn it But of course, you know your lining is not going to have joining, or you can cut your lining in form of A shape. It's still okay. You just go ahead and attach it from where we notched. Go ahead and attach it. To make a complete skirt. Go ahead and join it with the joining allowance. And for the belt, to cut the belt, you're going to use 36 times 3. That is 36 is 1 yard. You're going to use 36 times 3. And the width is going to be 6 inches. It's going to be on fold. Fold it. Go ahead and sew it and turn it to the right side. Fold it and sew it. After sewing it, you turn it to the right side. Start stitch it and turn it to the right side and attach to your skirts. I don't know if I lost some of this footage or something, but I thought I showed where I was attaching the belt to the skirt. But just go ahead and attach the belt to the waist, and after sewing, just use your lining to turn the skirt. And after sewing, this is what you're going to have, your wrap skirt. Your wrap skirts, just wrap it around your waist. I will drop the link on how to make the kimono blouse for the skirts. I'll drop it in the description box. So if you want to watch how I made the top, the kimono blouse, the video is in the description box. Please watch my video and like my video. See you next time. Take care.